Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a real client, not a model, getting a skin fade with a bit off the top. The final shot of this haircut I saved for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The guideline comes first. For this exercise, I'm using a trimmer that's not zero gapped in the form of the 22 Stinger by Caliber. Next step, remove the hair underneath the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 22 Stinger by Caliber. And this one is zero gapped. Next step, use the foil shaver to create baldness on the side. For this exercise, I'm using the RPG by Caliber. Next step, remove that bald line. For this, I extend the blade on my clipper all the way out. I pass through the section, and when I'm finished, I tap the blade slightly just like this, and I pass through the section again. I continue repeating this until the line is gone. For this exercise, I'm using the 50 cal mag by Caliber. Attach an 8 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard. Pass through the section, close the blade, repeat. And by the way, this is the 357 Magnum by Caliber. Attach a 7 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, repeat. Attach a 6 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, repeat. Attach a 4 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 3 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, repeat. Attach a 2 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Avoid cutting the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Make sure you don't cut the hair at the top of the blend. Attach a 1/2 guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. Pass through the section, close the blade slightly, and repeat the same step. And continue repeating this step until the demarcation has disappeared. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by Caliber. Next step, clean up your work with a straight razor. Now it's time to remove weight and add texture at the same time. Alright guys, if your skin fade looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial. All of my tools, my clippers, my trimmers have been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.